What is Google AdSense? Hey there, everyone. So we talked about what online advertising actually is in our previous video. And we happen to mention that for all intents and purposes, it is all about generating revenue through targeting placements with ads. Or in simpler words, that it is all about using online properties to serve ads that reach a defined audience with the purpose of getting engagement with the ads. It is a win-win situation, because advertisers can use relevant placements on niche properties to promote their stuff, and publishers can make money from basically renting placements on their properties to the advertisers. Now, how do advertisers place ads on, say, a website? And how do publishers and content creators insert ads on their properties? The simple answer is they sign up to an ad network, which works as a middleman between advertisers and publishers. What ad networks do is to connect advertisers with a network of online properties where they can serve their ads, as well as to add online properties to those networks through publishers and content creators. There are many ad networks around, but the most popular, and by extension the largest one as well, is Google AdSense. And because of that, it is an advertising platform full of unique features and peculiarities. For starters, the AdSense platform can be described as an online advertising program run exclusively for publishers by Google, which allows them to add their online properties to the Google network of content sites. And once publishers add their sites to this network, they will be able to serve online advertisements using automatic text, images, video, and other types of interactive media right on their sites. These advertisements, or ad units, are targeted according to a site's content and audience. These ad units are generated and managed by advertisers on Google's own AdWords network, and they are administered by Google itself. In other words, Google serves ads on sites that are part of the AdSense network on behalf of advertisers that are part of the AdWords network. Now, we all know that publishers and content creators are not going to lend their valuable online real estate out of a sense of charity. They're in it for the money. But how do AdSense ads generate revenue on a site? It is simple. Advertisers pay Google to put their ads on the AdSense network, and then Google splits those earnings with the owner of the online property where these ads happen to appear. Once again, based on the type of content on the site and its audience. And the way these ads generate revenue is through clicks and impressions. Per-click revenue is generated when a visitor clicks through an ad to visit the advertiser's site or landing page, and per-impression revenue is generated per every 1,000 impressions or views on an ad. That is why sites on the AdSense network should strive to offer the best content possible to a very engaged audience on a regular basis. Want to learn what some of the most awesome benefits of using AdSense for Business are? Then watch the following video to find out.